can sometimes feel out of reach.
But what if we can bring a little joy even just for one moment?
Today, come with us as we learn about the struggle and life of our fellow Ilonggo, someone who continues to persist through life's challenges.
So, dugay-dugay, ma-interview kami kay Tita. Pero we hope nga pagkatapos ng interview man ni, it would end up with her being happy kag may makuha na kami na knowledge. So, let's go!
Good morning, Tita.
Good morning.
So, pwede ka magpakilala sa amon. What's your full name and pila na edad mo subong?
Ako gali si Erdy Lopez, 45 years old.
Okay. So, Tita, pila na yung mga bata and pila ila edad?
Ang mga tatlo akong bata, may senior high ko, may grade 9 ka, grade 4.
So, Tita, paano mo ma-describe yung mga pamilya subong?
Masadya, kag masubo. Siyempre sa mga buhi, may problema. Ay!
Tita, pwede mo ba i-share sa amon ng imong current status kung married or single ka subong?
Separated, nakuga, nagsaylo sa ibang nga balay ang bana ko.
Oh, it's okay, Tita. Ang second question ko po is, are there any people who help and support you in your family, in your everyday life?
Oo, mga pamilya ko, ginabuligan ko nila. Dalaw, maski may ubra ko. Siyempre, kung may ubra ka, ako lang magyapon.
Yes, Tita.
Importanteng pamilya.
Yes, Tita.
Tita, how is your situation as a family these days?
Ano, Tita? Ano, Tita?
Okay lang. Basta, okay lang.
Thank you, Tita.
Tita, next question, Tita, is, how do you manage your daily life and provide for your family?
Siyempre, kigaw bramang ko, adlaw ako man nagawin mo sa ila. Tanan-tanan na tatay kag nanay na.
Yes, Tita. Thank you so much.
So, Tita, can you share with us kung ano ginaobra mo sa bakery?
Sa bakery, nag-repacking kami sa mga tinapay, adlaw-adlaw. Kasi prepare kami sa mga ingredients nila para sa mga tinapay.
Okay.
Ano ang experience sa imo nga work? O gina-enjoy mo man imo nga work sa bakery, Tita?
Enjoy it gay kay kung dito ka sa lubrahan, wala ka lang problema kay ngisi ka lang ngisi. Kay pagdabot sa balay, ayos.
Okay. So, besides sa bakery, Tita, ano pa ginang iban mo nga ginaobra para ma-sustain ang imong family?
Kung day off ko gasaylan ko sa kay Bibi, sa mga utod ko para may income, may balon para kaaga.
What is the most challenging sa part of your life, Tita?
Nagbulagay kami sa bana ko. Siyempre ka budlay. May gamay ka pa. Tapos wala ka na. Hindi pa ka. Budlay.
So, Tita, paano mo ginahandle ang imong nga work kag ang pag-take care pagid sa imong mga bata?
Para sa kabataan ko na makatapos kag maka-eskwela sa sang Mayo.
Thank you so much, tita. Thank you.
So, tita, despite sa mga trials nga nagyan mo, paano ka naging positive gyapon?
Siyempre sa number one kay God.
Kay God.
Tapos, siyempre sa kabataan ko, na dapat ang maka-eskwela sila, magmayulawas nila. Importante sa tanan.
So, tita, ano yung mga hopes and dreams para sa mga kabataan in the future?
Ang makatapos sila pag-eskwela. Ngayon hindi magparehas sa amon. Siyempre, so naging na-eskwela ka, wala kagatarong mo. Kundi, basta makatapos ang sila, lipay na ko.
So far ta, okay man ang ilang performance.
Okay man. Meski wala honor, ang importante eskwela lang.
Di ba? Importante makatapos lang
Oo.
yun. What is your message sa nga ma-share sa iban pagid nga mga sa mga nanay pagid nga nag-aagi sa the same
Be strong ang sakon lang. Be strong. Hindi ka number one, gid kay God, kagid pangayo. Sang bully. Kay hindi agid ka nag-fail. Tapos, siyempre sa mga kabataan, kag sa mga utod kung managapalangga sa imo, dira ka man kapit sang sa kaya na, importante. Uy.
Di tita, despite sa imo nga trials, imo nga husband sa separation mo, napagid ang iban kita nga nakapa-down.
Kaya sa mga, siyempre problema, number one na, dahil ginahibi ko lang kisa. Siyempre, silent cry na tayo. Para
Pero at
hindi
least
naman kita
nagyapon
sa
na.
bata, bato, magyapon.
Di ba?
Thank you, tita, sa pag-entertain sa mga tita. Dapat kami may na-learn sa imo subong adlaw. Kag may ara kami tani gusto ihatag sa imo.
Ay, isa. Maski wala na lang gani. Pero thank you, gid niya dako na nga bulig sa mo. Thank you. Ay, thank you. Gida.
Tita, stay strong.
Oo, ginapaibi niyo pa ko mo. Thank you, Bea. Hindi na ako mag-ibi.
That's right, tita. Oh.
Sige, salamat. Isinyo din.
Yes, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Kitsin niyo tanan. Thank you.
Malakad tatuliwat.
When we met Tita early, we already expected her story to be inspiring. Still, hearing it from her personally made us see her strength and faith even more clearly. We realized that behind her smile is a woman full of faith, strength, and love for her family.
When we asked about her marital status, she told us that she had been separated from her husband. She shared that her husband chose to live in another household, which left her to raise her children on her own. Even though that part of her story was painful, Tita Early spoke with calmness and acceptance. Hearing her say this made us realize how much courage it takes to face life alone. Many people in her situation might lose faith or give up, but Tita Early, she chose to stay strong for her children and continue moving forward.
Tita Early also shared that her greatest dream is for her children to finish their studies and have a better life. She advised us students to always listen to our parents and study hard in school. Hearing this from a mother who has gone through many struggles made us realize how important it is to value our education and appreciate the sacrifices our parents make for us.
Tita Early's work at the bakery was to repack bread and to prepare ingredients. She said that whenever she is at work, she momentarily forgets about her problems because of how much she enjoys her work. Other than working in the bakery, Tita Early also does sideline jobs for her siblings whenever it's her day off in order to have some extra money. When we asked Tita Early what was the most challenging part of her life, she replied that it was when her husband left her and she had to take care of the kids alone and was struggling on how to feed them. But Tita Early pushed herself for her children and worked tirelessly in order for her children to finish school.
When we asked how Tita Early always stayed positive despite the challenges she faced, she said it was because of God and her children, and that it was important for her children to attend school and to have a healthy body.
Ang ako nang mahatag na advice nga, basta may problema, magano man sa Ginoo, kay hindi ka ginaniya ma-feel. Tapos kung iskila ka mo mayo. Kung ginasaway ka mo sa ginikanan niya, magpati ka mo, kay nagyan na ako nang nagyan. So, mo lang gid na sa iskila, lang gid mayo. Salamat po.
Siya ba nag-stop?
Ay,